Now the answer of this type equation are in here. X equal to 1, y equal to 4. Now the second question come on the second question. The equation is given here 7x minus 5 minus z is equal to 0. 10x minus 2y plus z is equal to 0. 6x plus 3y minus 2z is equal to 0. These are three equations are given. Now find the solution of the known value x, y, z with the help of the matrix. Now solve. Or these three equations. First we note down the equation. First equation, it will get the first equation. This is take the second equation. It is clear. Now it is take the third equation. Let us assume in the previous question same. Assume Ax equal to B, where A is equal to is the coefficient matrix of x, y, z in the form of first row, second row and third row. So note down the matrix. In the first equation, the coefficient of x is 7, note down 7. In the coefficient of y is -1, note down -1. In the coefficient of z is also -1, note down -1. First equation, coefficient is written down in the first row. Now we come in the second equation coefficient. The coefficient of x is 10, note down 10. The coefficient of y is -2, note down -2. The coefficient of z is 1, note down 1. Now the second equation coefficient is write down in the second row. Now we come in the third equation coefficient. Equation of x is 6, note down 6. Coefficient of y is 3, note down 3. Coefficient of z is -2, note down -2. Now the each equation coefficient is write down in the three equation in three row, in first, second, third row. This is the in the form of the matrix is represented by the A. It is clear everyone? Matrix A is the representation of the coefficient of x and y and z in the form of first row, second row and third row. Now we come B. B is equal to x. X is equal to column matrix in the form of the variables. Column matrix in the form of the unknown. The first unknown is x, note down x. Second is y, note down y. And third one is z, note down z. So matrix x is represented as the column matrix of the unknown value. Now the last value is B. B represents the matrix of the constant value given in the right hand side of the equation. The right hand side, the value is the first equation, constant value in the right side 0, note down 0. In the second equation, the right hand side the value is 0, note down again 0. In the third equation, constant value in the right hand side in the equation is 7, note down 7. This is the value of B. It is clear everyone? Now simplify AXB from equation third, from equation third, AX is equal to B, AX is equal to B multiply by A inverse on both sides. Same procedure adopt in the previous one question. Then we get the value of X is equal to A inverse B. Then we write down multiply both sides by A inverse. Then multiply by A inverse. Multiply the right hand side, left hand side, and right hand side. A inverse A is equal to I, then X equal to, then X is equal to A inverse B. It is clear, everyone? Now we find the A inverse. Equation number 4. This is the equation number 4. Now simplify. First we find the A inverse. B is given. Now we find the value of A inverse. In the next step, first we find the determinant of A. Determinant of A is equal to expand the given matrix in the form according to the first row. Then the first value is 7. First row, first value is 7. Then the determinant of second order. First row, first column element cancel out, then minus 2, 1. Minus 2, 1. 3 minus 2. 3 minus 2. The first element is 7 and the corresponding cofactor is C11. Then the first row, first column element cancel out. Then the remaining element minus 2, 1, 3 minus 2. Note down here. Then the second element taking the sign is the negative sign. First is positive, second negative. The value is the second cofactor element is minus 1. Note down minus 1. And the corresponding cofactor C12. C12 it means note down C12 is the first row, second column cancel out. First row, second column cancel out. First row, second column element cancel out. And the remaining element 10, 1, 6 minus 2. 10, 1, 10, 1, 6 minus 2. 6 minus 2. And the First row last element is also -1, then the sign is taken +1 and the value is given element is -1. Note down -1. And the value of the cofactor of this element is C13. C13 means C first row third column. First row third column element cancel out the remaining element. 10 minus 2 6 3. 10 minus 2 10 minus 2 6 3 6 3. This is the determinant value according to the first rule. Now we simplify in the next step. The value of the determinant of the second order is the difference of the cross multiplication of the element. That is -2 minus 2 is equal to 4. Taking the sign of negative sign, difference is the taking negative sign. 3 1 3. Note down the value 3 minus plus 1, then plus 1, and the difference of the cross multiplication of the element. Then start the bracket. 10 to the 20 minus 20 and minus 6. Close the bracket. Plus minus minus 1. Start the bracket. 10 to the 30 minus minus plus 6 to the 12. Bracket close. Now thus simplify. Then the value of the determinant is 7 1 4 minus 3 1 1 7 is 7. The value is 7. Minus plus minus 26. 30 plus 12 42 minus 42. Minus 68 plus 7. That is the value of determinant of A is equal to minus 61. The value of determinant is minus 61, which is non-zero value. Which is non-zero value. Now value determinant. Now we find the inverse of A. If the value of determinant is non-zero, then we find the inverse of A. Now the second step of the find the value of inverse, find the cofactor of each element. Find all cofactor. Find all cofactor of A. Cofactor of A. First cofactor is C11. C11 is equal to there. How many elements? There are 9 elements and 9 cofactor. C11 C11, C2, C11, C12, C13. This is the first row cofactor in matrix A. Now we come in the second row cofactor C21, C22, C23, C31, C32, C33. If the sum of the order of the cofactor is even number, then taking the sign is plus. In the order is sum of the order is odd number, then taking the sign minus, then plus, then minus, then plus, then minus, then plus, then minus. Now C11, first row, first column element cancel out the remaining element in the form of the determinant, and the value is -2 - 2 4, -3, the value is equal to 1. It is clear? In the second cofactor C12, C12 means the first row second column element cancel out, first row second column, then the remaining element in the form of the determinant of second order. Solve the value of determinant by the difference of the cross multiplication of the element. First we taking the minus sign, start the bracket, 10 to the 20 minus 20, then taking the minus sign and the 6 1 just 6, bracket close. The value is equal to -26, minus plus 26. The value is 26. Now we come in the first row third column cofactor. First row third column value is cancel out and the remaining value is note down here. Then we take in the difference of the cross multiplication element, 10 3 are 30, minus plus, 6 2 are 12. The value is equal to 30 plus 12 is equal to 42. It is clear, everyone? Now we come in the second row first column element. Second row first column element, second row first column, the remaining element -1 3 -2, -1 -1 3 -2, 3 -2, 3 -2. Now simplify, is equal to minus 2 1 ja 2, minus plus 3, then the value equal to -5. It is clear, everyone? Now we come in the second row second column cofactor. It means second row second column element cancel out. Second row second column element cancel out. Second row second column element cancel. Then the remaining element 7 -1 6 -2, 7 -1 7 -1 6 -2 6 -2. Now simplify, 7 2 the 14 -14, minus plus 6. Result is become to -8. Now we come second row third column cofactor. It means second row third column element cancel out, second row third column element cancel, remaining element 7 minus 163, 7 minus 163, note down, 7 minus 1 6 3. It is clear everyone? 7 minus 1 6 3 is equal to minus 7 3 are 21 minus minus plus 6 1 are 6 is equal to first we simplify this one C22 second row second column, second row second column 7 minus 1 6 minus 2, 7 minus 1 6 minus 2, 7 minus 1 6 minus 2. First we simplify this one, after then come to the C23, 7 2 ja 14 minus 14 minus minus plus 6, then the value become 2 minus 8. It is clear? Now C23 second row third column, second row third column 7 minus 1 60, 7 minus 1 60, 7 minus 1 63. Now 7 3 21 minus minus plus 6, then the value become 2 27 minus 27. C31 it means third row first column element cancel out, third row first column element cancel, minus 1 minus 1 minus 2 1, minus 1 minus 1 minus 2 1, minus 1 minus 1 minus 2 1, minus 2 1. It is clear? Now simplify. C31 third row first column, minus 1 minus 1 minus 2 1, minus 2 1. Now simplify. Is equal to minus 1 into 1, then the value is minus 1, 2 1 is 2, minus minus plus, then minus 2, the value is equal to minus 3. It is clear everyone? C32 means third row second column element cancel out, third row second column element cancel out, and 7 minus 1 10 1, 7 minus 1 7 minus 1 7 minus 1 10 1, 10 1 is equal to 7 1 is 7, minus minus plus 10, the value is equal to 70. Now C33 last cofactor of the given matrix, taking the sign is negative, the odd numbers, the sum of the odd number, then minus bracket minus C theta is the sum of the order is even, then taking the sign is positive number. C theta, it means third row, third column cancel out. 7 minus 1, 10 minus 2. 7 minus 1, 10, 7 minus 1, 10 minus 2. Minus 2. It is clear. Simplify. Is equal to minus 14 minus minus plus 10. The result is become 2 minus 4. Now C11 is the first row cofactor. Second row cofactor is represented by the different color, and third row cofactor is represented by the different color. These are all the cofactor of the given matrix A. Now we find the cofactor matrix C. C is equal to cofactor matrix of A. C is equal to cofactor matrix of A. Now C is equal to cofactor matrix of A. The first row element, first row cofactor is 1 minus 26 42 minus 1 26 42 26 42. Second row cofactor minus 5 minus 8 27 minus 5 minus 8 minus 27 minus 5 minus 8 minus 27 minus 5 minus 8 minus 27. Now the last row cofactor minus 3 minus 17 minus 4 minus 3 minus 17 minus 3 minus 17 minus 4. This is the cofactor matrix of A. Now adjoint of A is equal to transpose of the cofactor matrix. Transpose of cofactor matrix A is equal to now the joint of A row and column interchange. Transpose of the cofactor matrix means row and column interchange. First column element 1 minus 5 minus 3 is interchanged to the first row. Then 26 replaced by minus 1 minus 5. 42 is interchanged by minus 3. Second column element is 26 minus 8 minus 17 is interchanged to the second row. Then minus 5 is interchanged by 26 minus 8 and 27 is interchanged by minus 17. Now the last column, third column interchanged by the last row, third row. Then 3 is interchanged by 42. (17) interchanged by minus 27. Minus 4 is replaced by minus 4. It is clear this is the adjoint of A. Now we find the A inverse. Now the A inverse is equal to the formula of A inverse from equation 4. From equation 4. From equation 4. Equation 4 is A in x equal to A inverse B. First we find the A inverse. First we find the A inverse. A inverse is equal to the value of A inverse is equal to adjoint of A upon determinant of A. Now put the value of adjoint A in determinant A in the next step. Determinant of A is equal to, what is the value of determinant of A is minus 61. Minus 61. The value of A joint of A is, note down here, this is the value of A inverse. Now from the question 4, from equation 4, equation 4 is given here. Note down x is equal to A inverse B. Note down the value of A inverse B. A inverse into B. Note down the value of matrix B This is the column matrix of 3 by 1 order. Note down. Now simplify the matrix multiplication in the next step. X is equal to 1 upon minus 61. Now the multiplication of the matrix by row and column in this one step. First row multiply by the first column, then we get the first row first element. The first element is 1 multiplied by 0, then the plus minus 5 multiplied by 0, then we take minus 3 multiplied by 7. This is the first row first column multiplication is complete. There is no more column in the matrix B. Now we come in the second row and start the second row first column multiplication. In the next step, 26 multiplied by 0, 26 multiplied by 0, then they take minus sign, minus 8 multiplied by 0, then we take the last value of the second row is minus 17, then minus 17 is multiplied by 7, Now no more column in the matrix B. Now we come in the last row of the matrix A. 42 multiplied by 0 plus minus 27 multiplied by 0, then minus 4 multiplied by 7. Now the row and column multiplication is complete. Now we come in solve in the next step of this matrix. 1 multiplied by 0, the result is 0. 5 multiplied by 0, result is 0. Now 3 multiplied by 7, result is 21. Note down 21. First row is multiplication is complete. Now second row 0 is multiplied by 26, 0. 8 is multiplied by 0, result is 0. One 19. Now 42 multiplied by 0, result is 0. 27 multiplied by 0, result is 0. Result is 28. Now simplify in the next step. Minus 21 minus 119 minus 28. It is clear, everyone? Now the value of the matrix is x is equal to now simplify in the next step.